Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the battery on a Hyundai Sonata. This one is the 2006 model right now, but it's the same procedure from 2006 I think all the way until 2010-11 for that specific model generation. So that's where your battery is, that's the negative terminal right there. So with a 10mm wrench you need to get the nut loose and just move it back and forth and it's going to come out. Squeeze those in, open that lid, that's where the positive cable is. Again, with that 10mm wrench, just get it loose and pull it out of there. Make sure the cables are out of the way. And now, right here, we have one bolt. That's for the bracket that holds the battery. And it prevents the battery from moving. When you're taking a sharp curve with a 12mm socket, we need to take it off. Okay, you can just use the ratchet and extension. We have that little impact here. And this is the bolt. Okay, let me show you. And now this is the bracket for the support. Okay, right here, this one. And when you put it back together, it goes this way, like that. Okay, next we're ready to remove the battery out of there. So what you need to do, just grab it with both of your hands. It's very heavy, be careful not to get hurt, and just pull it out. Okay, now it's good to clean your terminals. It's good to wear gloves when you do that, just in case if you have some acid on the terminals, not to get it on your skin. Okay, I know we're probably gonna get some comments that we're not wearing any, but it's good to tell you guys what to do, right? And you just get the new battery, install it, put the bracket and tighten the two terminals, and that's the whole procedure for removing and replacing the battery on a Hyundai Sonata. Thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.